Hello and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Buhle Betfu. My name is Nelly Somakanya, and of course we're still traveling the country just to bring you exclusive content of amazing places that you can visit around the kingdom. Today we are here at Umushi Wenkosazana Resort. We just want to find out what is it that they have, and I'm sure that we're going to have a nice time, which we want you to have. Let's see what they have for us.
I'm Zanele Shamini, Food and Beverages Supervisor.
All right. Okay, namhla like haya Umushi Wenkosazana Resort. That's a really interesting name. Mhlambe ungasichazela just the background. What's the inspiration behind the name and nalenzawe endle?
Okay, Umushi Wenkosazana Resort ligama lilathola umfana khona la khaya kosePhayo Mashwama. Shothi wabona nje kuvela i-rainbow. Then bese uyacabanga ukuthi kungaba nendzawo la ngayetha ukuthi Umushi Wenkosazana.
Oh, okay. So I'm learning something new namuhla. So Umushi Wenkosazana i-rainbow uyabona Swati. No, right. So indzawo yakho indzawo le kanjani yini lesitholako nasilakhaya mhlambe nawasichazisela kuloko.
Okay, indzawo yethu it's a resort. Cinema rooms lahlukene ka-2. Sine room ya 1.4 executive. It's a self-catering room. Then bese siba ma standard rooms 950. Onke exclude i-breakfast. Mawufuna i-breakfast uyayi-order e-restaurant.
Okay.
Yes, bese siba quad biking. Quad biking yethu 30 minutes 200. Then 450 hour liya ku ma waterfalls.
Okay.
Bese siba ma go-karts for kids.
All right, that's awesome. So kule accommodation cishe ngilama rooms kuphela le nawo.
Yes.
Okay. Mhlambe nangifuna kwenda bo camping tintfo leti kanjalo khona yini letinye nje tintfo lengakhona kudenda as far as accommodation is concerned.
Okay, for mawufuna kwenda i-camping siyakhona ukukushintshela ema-rooms ethu sikufakele ama-bunk beds if ever nibaningi. Sikhona kun-accommodator then sinifake lapha for ama-events siba nema-key.
All right. So kuyaye kube ma-groups la nje khona kwa-caterishe la ku-accommodation mhlambe the family sizes and everything.
For 100.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So lama rooms ikhona kulala like 2 ebantfu kuhamba kanjani?
Kuyashiyana. Okay, le executive kulala 2 ebantfu, but if ever une request siyakhona ukufakela ema-bunk beds.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right, so ngivukhuluma nge-restaurant yakho. I'm really interested about that one. Ngiyathandza kudla. So kule restaurant yakho imenu yakho yayihambe kanjani, maybe from breakfast, kiko konke nje, lunch, everything?
Okay, i-menu uya-order ku-menu sinayo i-breakfast, sibe nayo i-main course, bese siba nawo umcwembe.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, ngiyacela ungichazele monke kule menu kule breakfast ukuthi kuyaye kube tindlela kanjani ngitholako lokudla mhlambe lo lapha kule lunch kanjani ishito ngathi ngiyakuthandza ukudla so ngingathandza kwathi ukuthi ngithola ukudla lo kanjani lapha nekuthi mhlambe nangilele lapha khona ku-order kanjani ivele kanjani.
Okay, kudla especially ku-breakfast sinayo English breakfast sibe ne-farm style breakfast ecishe ahlukahlukene because asuka from 100 to 140. Uyakhona ku-order ukhethe lo ifunako. Bese ku-lunch sinawo ema-seafood, sinayo imicwembe, sinawo ama-pizza, bese siba nawo ama-grills like bo T-bone steak.
Alright, good. Kuyafana le menu ye-lunch nale yantambama.
Yes.
Alright, so nangabe kwentekile ke ngifuna ku-host i-event ngizokhuluma ngemakhi yakho lenhle ukuthi kuba ama-events la kanjani lekhona kwa-hosta nangalakhaya.
Okay, siyenda ema-party, sende imishado, sende ema-conferences.
Alright, so lokudla khona niyaskaterishela noma sivumelekileni ukuthi mhlambe nami ngide nemabhodami lapha ngibasebekabi. So how does it go? Sesithi ngifuna kwenda i-party yami nje ngilungiselela kanjani mangifuna kwenda i-party yami lakhaya?
Okay, kahle kahle awukavumeleki ukuthi utene kudla kwakho ngaphandle. Kudla siyakuphekela thina then sikucharge i-venue yethu sicharge ukuthi nibangakhi. From 0 to 20, let me say it's 1.5 for lemakhi only. Bese kuba from 20 to 50 kuba ngo 2.5 to 3,000 upwards.
Alright, so ngibonele titutu ke ngivile udisho kancane lapha kuyayihambe njani khona mina kazange ngisigibele isitutu number 1 ngoba ngiyasaba but namhla ngethemba usuthi angikhuthata ukuthi ngisigibele so ngicela ungichazele ngale experience le ukuthi yayike ihambe kanjani ngivile ukhuluma isingasi kubana I really want to know more about that.
Okay, for quad biking uyafika ubhadale kuya kuwe ukuthi ufuna kuhamba 30 minutes or ufuna kuhamba i-hour. Ma uhamba 30 minutes ubhadala lo 200, ma ufuna kuhamba i-hour ubhadale 450. So ma ubhadala ngiyakuthatha ngikuyise ngale kuma quad bikes, ma ufika ngale uphola guide lo takufundzisa le quad bike kuvamise kuthatha maybe bo 20 to 25 minutes akufundzisa ngayo awuhambi ungevisisi kahle ukuthi ma ubrika kuphi ma wenda lokho wenda kuphi uyakhona kubuta avele abone naye ukuthi okay lona uright ukuthi angahamba then lona akasikahle kufuna aqhubeke neclass lakhe manihamba nalo guide wethu lo tawukhona kunibona endleleni manivelela dinkinga.
Oh, okay. Yes. So leti ndlela siyayisihambe kitoti kanjani sigega lendlu lena noma sipheke igega kuze kuphele 30 minutes noma kube ithole kanjani?
Okay, tindlela tephu uyahamba kunenthaba la ngendla so siyaphuma sibhekele enthabeni sihambe sifike la kujika khona for 30 minutes masiya kuma waterfalls ona akhashanyana vele nakhona niyahamba nakhona uphuma ubheka ngala nthabeni.
Oh, okay, so lo ngile 1 hour lengifikisa kuma waterfalls.
Yes.
Alright, so asesikhulume nge-safety here manje. How safe am I? Sengilifodile class lami, okay, ngihamba na guide embili, but how safe am I really when I'm on this experience because I really want to take part today?
Okay, uba safe kakhulu kufuna ulandzele ema instructions because uyafaka nabo helmet ufake nema goggles takubona sisachubeka so uba safe. Because kuba setandleni takho le bike uyicontroller wena mawuthi ayihambe kakhulu itawuhamba kakhulu mawuthi ayihambe kancane itawuhamba kancane so kuba kuwe.
Okay.
Yes.
I trust my driving anyway. Okay, so kulama go-karts ngizokhuluma ngebantfana ukuthi abantu bangetawo ngebantfana ba-enjoy ama-go-karts mhlambe le experience leyo ke yahambe kanjani kanjani mina nangisesidududwini ngiyabashiya bona ama-go-karts or how does it really happen?
Okay, ungaya wena kuma quad bikes ushiye bamfana kuma go-karts nakhona baba na guide wabo lo bafundzisako ahambe ayodlala nabo lapha e-groundini.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright, that's awesome. Mhlambe khona iletinye tintfo mhlambe sesithi ke mina vele tidudud vele tiyangihlula ke namhla khona mhlambe lokunye lengakwenda nje nangifikela apart from everything else sesikubalile.
Okay, sinayo ipool yethu ungakhona kuhamba uyoswima bese sivamise kwenta ne-hiking. I-hiking yethu bathi ilunga ekseni sivamise kucharge 100 rand per person or sikunika emandi sikufakela nama-fruits bese niyahamba nakhona nibana guide lo tangitshengisa le ndlela nitawuhamba khona. Yes.
Alright, that's awesome. Mhlambe umbuto ekugcina yabona ke kulabo hiking khona mhlambe letinye tindlu lesingathi ngiyete lapha bo hiking asesingifuna kwenda picnic inyana kube mnanzi nje yabona ngisahamba noma khona imithetho lekhona kule hiking kuhamba kanjani lapho?
No, kodwa umthetho lomningi whenever niphethe ama-snakes enu ngingafika nihle nihamba niphumula maybe senidlala oma-snakes enu kude inkinga le nkulu.
Mbukelo Buhle Betfu, I've never been this excited. Right now, I just can't wait to get on that quad bike. But I'm sure that it's going to be a wonderful experience. You need to come and experience this. Quad biking, we go.
We'll be doing some short instruction, then some short exercises from here to the gate. If you reach the gate, which means you can also go out the mountain. But if you can't reach the gate, which means you can't drive up the mountains. Yes. So we have to start here so that since it's your first time, so that you have your confidence. No? Yes. Okay. At first, we first look at the controlling of the quad bike. If you can't control, you can't drive. Ne? So on the control and steering, I really need your energy. I really need your energy. So make sure you relax. Yeah, don't rush. Okay. Can you first hold the handlebars, the rubber ends? Yes. Okay. Yes, on your left hand. Yes, there's a lever. Yes, there's that lever, yes. Now, because we are on park, it's your handbrake, ne?
Okay.
It's your handbrake, ne? Yes, handbrake, ne?
Okay.
Like your car, if you park your car, you engage your handbrake, ne?
Yeah.
Yes. If you release that handbrake, you just squeeze it, then you let go. On your right foot, there's a pedal on your right foot. Yes, there's that pedal. Yes, can you press it? Right. Yes. Yes. That's your brake.
This one?
Yes, to be specific, it's your rear brake. Yes,
Okay.
then on your right hand, there's another lever. Yes, that one. Yes, on the right hand. Yes, your hand. Yes. Yes, this is the big one. Yes. It's your another brake. This time it's your front brake. Let's focus on the black button. Yes, the black button on your left. Yes, that black button is your start button. Once you turn on the key, then you can press that button. And wearing the helmets. Okay. Yes, you first hold this harness. Then, yes, easy. First hold this harness.
Yeah.
Then, yes, then you try it on. No ways. Okay. Yes. So now your start button, please. Okay, let's start here. Yes. Yes. Okay. On your right hand, there's this small lever. Yes, this one. Yes, you operate using your hand. Your thumb, né? Yes, so make sure you be gently on the acceleration. That's your acceleration, né? Be gently on the acceleration, nice and soft. Then you pause. You press, you pause, so you maintain the speed. You keep on pressing, so that you keep, so that you can keep it. Okay, so Now, if I say left, you turn to your left. When I say right, you turn to your right. So we practice in the how you can turn.
You see that moment when you know that you're a smart kid, you just grasp everything in a second. Actually, this is very exciting. It has been fun. They've taught me very well how to drive this bike. We are about to hit the road. Let's see how far I can go. Buhle Betfu, it has been an amazing experience. Quad bike. That has been really amazing, and right now I'm being joined by Menzi just to talk about the things that are found here, more about all the wonderful experiences that we've had right here. My brother, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. I've just enjoyed the quad biking. I was at least angawi. So I just want us to talk about enjoy quad biking. What is so special about the quad biking, basically?
I think you can actually elaborate on that since you just had your first experience. So, Mr. Interviewer, how was the quad biking for you?
It was really amazing. It was
Okay.
really amazing, especially because how I usually drive a car, and now I have to try to bring all that into a quad bike, and this thing has power. When you
All right.
accelerate, it literally wants to take you off. So it's really has been amazing. So yeah, that's great.
So from there on, we also offer other activities such as go-karting.
All right.
We also have horse riding.
All right.
We have future prospects of having paintballing, as well as our name goes as Wenkosazana Resort and Spa. So our spa is at 80%, should be done in the next couple of coming months. We also have, for those people who actually enjoy a nice natural tranquil area where we have our orchard outside, which offers various trees of different citruses, olives and the likes. So we offer an atmosphere where one can come here, sit back and enjoy the atmosphere that we offer as Wenkosazana Resort.
So I'd like to know more about the horses that are so out there, and maybe if there's any other thing maybe associated to that is coming along.
Oh yes, we have horses which we recently procured. So we have horse trails that we're starting up, which is also part of the future but current plans as well. We also have in the future plans a driving range for those who want to come here with their families, maybe the children. Quad biking, the wife is having lunch, the husband can be there hitting
Family experience.
a full family experience for the family where the husband can be there knocking down the golf balls and having all of that under one umbrella as Wenkosazana, as we diverse in that manner.
All right, so when it comes to issues like team building, how far have you guys gone in catering for things like that?
Oh, we've had a number of corporates who come and host their team building activities here. Okay. We also have our in-house instructor, but you can also come with your own instructor. So we are open for that as well.
All right, that's awesome. So how do people get a hold of you, your social media presence, contact details and things like that?
Oh yes, we are on social media, on all social media platforms, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook as well. So we usually communicate using those platforms.
All right, so what's then specific handles that people can use to search you and find you there?
Umushi Wenkosazana Resort.
Mbogelo wa Buhle Betfu, I'm sure you know by now that it cannot be Buhle Betfu without dealing with the matters of the stomach. Right here, they've served us with scrumptious stuff right here in front of me. They call this the seafood platter. And this drink of mine here is called blueberry. I think there's lemonade involved somewhere there. But let me just dig in. It's been an exciting experience right here at Umushi Wenkosazana Resort. I've never had such an experience. Talk about quad biking, the go-karts that your kids back there at home can be able to enjoy when they are right here at this facility. Make sure that you come here, bring your friends for team building. Just come and enjoy this place. It's a wonderful environment that you can enjoy a lot of things, including the swimming pool that is right next to me. Let's make sure that you continue following us on all our social media platforms. That is our Facebook, our YouTube. Do send us messages, tell us and show us, tag us, show us these amazing places that we have right here in the kingdom. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.
Thank you.